ating susunod na Global Filipino ay isang accomplished theater performer at club owner of some of the hottest night spots in Manila. JM Rodriguez is corresponding from Ibiza, Spain. Hello, JM!
Hello, Giselle. Kamusta naman dyan? Good evening, galing Ibiza.
Oy!
Dito eh.
Ang galing-galing naman na nandiyan ka sa Ibiza at nakahanap ka ng panahon at oras para makausap kami dito sa Los Angeles.
Oo naman, aliw nga ako. At least meron akong ginagawang purpose dito, di ba? Hindi lang sa nagbabakasyon at nagre-research. Sayang nga, sira yung laptop ko, kaya kailangan medyo nakahawak ako ngayon sa phone.
Walang problema yan. So pag-usapan natin ang mga issue na nangyayari sa Pilipinas.
Oo nga eh.
What is happening with Raymart and Claudine? It seems like their whole brouhaha drama is unfolding in social media.
I know, hindi ko nga alam kung ano na nangyari doon. Alam mo, kaibigan ko silang dalawa, I wish them well. Ang sa akin lang, akala ko magkakabalikan na sila na okay, di ba? Tapos ngayon, nagkagulo na naman.
Because I saw that Claudine posted pictures of her thigh and it was bruised, as well as Raymart posting naman pictures of her after she did an operation.
I don't know.
So who's telling the truth, JM?
Don't ask me. I wouldn't know. But honestly, what I want for them is to just basically keep it private because those are private things. Those are things that their fans shouldn't see.
I know.
Because they're two big stars and they have a lot of fans and people, look up to them. Kaya
absolutely. So pag-usapan naman natin ang Barreto name change. Alam naman natin na sumisikat itong si Julia Barreto na anak ni Marjorie.
Napakagandang bata at napakabait na bata. Kasama ko yan sa ABS-CBN. Well, I think Dennis Padilla wants his family name to be attached because syempre anak siya, di ba?
Oo, but Julia Padilla as opposed to Julia Barreto.
Alam mo, ang sasabihin ko lang, stage name naman yan, di ba? Lahat naman ng mga artista may stage name. And ang mga Barreto, popular na sila. So sakto lang na Julia Barreto yung gamitin niya. Dapat hindi na gawing issue yan.
Oo
diba?
nga. Last issue na pag-usapan, Paolo Bediones has a sex tape too. What is going on?
I feel bad for my friend Paolo. He's such a nice guy. And apparently ginawa niya yan mga years ago, 5 years ago. Tapos pinaayos na yung computer niya. Tapos siguro yung nag-aayos, pinadalan siya ng message at blinakmail siya. At
yes, so extortion, right? So the moral of the story is, please don't put any sex tapes out if you're in the media. Nako, we've run out of time. Maraming salamat,
That's
JM.
it. I wanted to talk some more.
I know! We've run out of time, unfortunately, but we look forward to corresponding with you very, very soon. You may tweet JM at JM_row for your comments and questions with the hashtag Global Filipino and Kababayan Today. That's it for our Global Filipino episode for today. Let us know what you thought about the areas we discussed, be it in the news, culture, fashion, or showbiz. Nominate your Global Filipino by leaving us a note on our FB page or tweet me at GTONGI. Maraming salamat sa pagpapanood. We here at Kababayan Today celebrate all Filipinos in our global community. Ito po si G Tonji. Paalam and we'll see you soon. Smart World Mobile, your smarter way home. Proudly brought to you by PLDT US Mobility.